cut this out. All right, the truck is black, pieces are black. Okay, so the Fuji 5-stage sprayer, I liked it a lot. There really wasn't hardly any overspray, which was super nice. I did tape off all my other cars, but I've used a big compressor before with a normal gun, and I got overspray because I didn't tape my other cars off. I got it everywhere, pissed me off. I had to spend a lot of time to get it off my other cars. But the base coat went down pretty well. You know, you can see I didn't fix every single dent. This area is a little bit wiggly from that accident that I really didn't completely buff out. But otherwise, I think it went down really well. Now it's 10 to 15 minute flash time between coats on these. I've got about 2 or 3 coats total on all the interior and exterior places. So the dash is all done. The ceiling, I guess you want to call it, the roof, the hood, all that is done. Now we're going to do clear coat. This base coat was a 3-to-1 ratio. The clear coat is 4-to-1. I can make a video. I might put that into this video on how you mix up those. But overall, I like the Fuji sprayer so far. We'll see how it does with the clear coat and how it comes out. I do think it's a little thick. I think the clear coat is going to have quite a bit of orange peel, to be honest. But we can always buff that out if it bothers me enough. So for now, we're done with black, cleaned out the gun, and let's move on to clear coat. Got all that stuff off. And it looks pretty good. The clear coat came out really well. It definitely needs to be wet sanded and buffed out a bit. You can see a lot of, let's see heavy orange peel. So there's the Mustang right there. But the clear coat's on there and it's pretty thick. There are some spots where it ran a little bit. The hood and the topper came out pretty nice. Overall, I'm happy with it. And I don't know if I showed you guys the motorcycle driving by in the background. No, I don't know if I showed you the paint that I was using, but I can link where I got it from. It was relatively cheap, and I think it turned out really well. Gonna have to wet sand and buff the body work. Some of the areas I was worried about, you really can't tell too bad, even though it is black. Maybe if I get it in the actual sunlight, you might be able to notice some of the areas where it wasn't sanded perfectly and matched, but I think it turned out really nicely. So we'll continue to assemble.